Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchu morigererie w'Ensoko TV oborusi bw'omugusi nago kwanira asa omogoroba bono ritukerigaria kabere mutinyo 12 omwaka gw'echielfu 2025 chinsa 10 chia Africa ya muchengo kwarigania ereto yanyora maya asenchira y'obwenge tugwetera asenchira y'omutandao bwekerero Facebook na wega sensemo area ya YouTube Ensoko TV erietariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chaka no mogoroba bono chigari chia MCA batatu be bunge ye county ya Kisii bakwamereri oburai Governor Paul Simbarati nigo chiatirwa magoro asamagachi bunge eyo n'abantu batamanyiri ekera MCA bagendera tinege karo ime ye bunge eyo abanyanyimbo nigo bachakiri obutuki erikomanya abwo bayirera egekorwa ekyogo korekana abwo baterwa chigari chabo.
Kwanza ba lakini wana record nao na hata madrasa kutumia una procedure mara ya strong kuelewa that what has happened here is a matter of concern for all of us, particularly happening in a very important place. A county assembly is a designated place that we would not want to see something like that happening. It's an incident that has happened, and in our response, we are going to, I would have assured the county assembly members that as we secure the county assembly, we are also investigating a matter that has occurred here with the seriousness that it deserves, because it is not something that we would expect it to happen in a designated place like this. And beyond that, we are also scaling up this security just to ensure that something like that does not happen in future. But in the meantime, we'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that that has occurred here a few minutes ago. So I just want to assure our members that your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it, and it will be for public consumption. Everybody will know what has transpired. Yes.
Thank you. Toko tigarase omugano yo aba MCA abo chigari chiabo cyatwa amagoro bause Boaz Mairura bwe gwari ya Masimba Thomas Obare Obasi Bugetauryo nigo bakwanira igoro yege kole kiona gotabuna ni gayo akagerego korekana asengencho bakwamereri obakorari bw'umugabara we county ya Kisii tiango toranyora aba MCA abo bakurwe nkwana yabo
nje ngo kwaneke gusi manem omwamba nikadema so watch nalenga assembly. The motive, I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Chiborabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Any time I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first. And I know that. I know the God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.
I don't have much to say. We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session. And my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in Masix. And they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court. And some of us, we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives. Because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys. You've said you want my head. Just tell me where you want that head. I'll bring it. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption, but you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that.
Guskamutwe ababwatani be kiama gia Jubilee kurense muye bunge ya Bonchari niga sentunda yende bagendere gutinge kiamekyo ase okobarikia bari baganetiko so ase kiamekyo ase barireira yoko musira Daktari Fred Matiang'i ase ganga yayo kurigekero gokyo burayi wense omwaka gw'echilifu 2025
Nikianza ningependa kupongeza Nyamira County kwa kazi ambayo walifanya mzuri sana. Kwa kazi ambayo walifanya wakaezesha mheshimiwa wetu Daktari mtarajiwa rais wetu wa Kenya mwaka wa 2027 Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i awe ameonyesha Kenya kwamba ametosha, kwa sababu walifanya kazi nzuri na viti vyote vyenye vilikuwa viking'ang'aniwa katika kaunti ya Nyamira, watu wakitembea na pesa. Tukafikiria kwamba zile pesa zingewadanganya, lakini sasa inaonyesha wazi ya kwamba Wakenya tumefika pahali tunaelewa ni nini tunataka.
Nataka kushukuru wale wote aspirants ambao wako pale nje. Tunawakaribisha sana kwa hii chama ya Jubilee. Wakuje kwa wingi, tutakuwa na nominations, tutafute the best candidate, tuchaguane mwaka wa 2027. Ninaomba wengine wale ambao wako pale nje na wanajiita viongozi wa Bonchari sub county, wengine wanajiita directors. Hii ndio timu ambayo imetambuliwa na Jubilee Party kupitia kwa General Secretary wetu Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Kioni. Tunawakaribisha wajoin hii timu, tufanye kazi pamoja kama viongozi kutoka hii sub county ya Bonchari.
Kama wana Jubilee wa ward sote 4 za Bonchari sub county, kwa ajili ya kudinisha ya kwamba tuunge mkono mmoja wetu ambaye ni Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Fred Okengo Matiang'i sio tu mwakilishi kutoka Kisii na Kenya mzima, na wale ambao hawako hapa siku ya leo wapate nafasi ya kujiasiri ili kila mmoja apate kura yake. Ikifika mwaka wa 27 kura yetu itakuwa ni kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Kubatikana n'umubaro moke bw'abasaye gwesoke kwerikina waka chikura bona nigo basemi bwarure gucia sabasaya bwo baesoke asobonge bairikie buna baki chikura ananake nigo batebire buna ekige kogera batari gwesoke waka chikura nkeribuna tibabwati okwegena gucia se abarayibaria bagochorwa ase ogotaba begenwa nonyenekero basoire obisi abasaya bwo nigo basemigwe kurigie chinchira chinde chingiya cyo kwenyorera ebitoke kyagere mirimo yo kurikwa ne serikali yabeire butuboke.
Nche ngoro kunyata nanje no mogaka gagusi ninganje tense yana neliro bali ana lya Gusii n'abantu baminto ba Gusii gaki abantu ba Gusii abagusii baito mumanyete chimbachero abagusii baito babegete bali abakoro babegete chimbachero chingiya sana nga ense abande nkera magesa bire omumenya bokono yonga gisole nekera twale koligyo borai ntwatakere taba abantu abangwana nanda abantu abangaini nanda abantu bamanyete nkibagokora abasaye baito gaki nonyense yaborirwo tumaini abasaye baito twabasomiri twabatebiri mande sukuru masome kurende twaje kanyora gosoma guko ge sukuru ngo isaini abagaka nabangina mutale ko imokerera igoro mubundisa abana baito bamanyenjera yo komenya ne mbategemea amasomoka ekera amasoma ya icho iri no bunwasime abunwasi oyo saliriense baminto gaki mutale kwanja moimokerera igoro bogambi buri twabwate kale bokonye bichana byaito gaki erikiagerense ngo sirere
egento geko kere vijana batari gwetokeza gwaka chikura number 1 bado mbara eriki erinde bake chikura the leadership of the country egento bono geko kere mbata giti gwaka kura bakora kure ite gokonya so that's why batari gwaka kure egento serikali number 1 itakere gokora civic education ense itonere maega asoko vijana mafunzo vijana pia tigaire maega nane ni ntu totakere ko baminekero regiense sasa baminto bali bago tume kuna bana siasa asa manufaa yoko sali omorembe egento ndanje ko batebi tigato esoke to tujiandikishe kama wapiga kura wapya erine ndonyore mechando aba mura bange bali bakwa kuchibese erinde basari emekutano abange babe bakuruchi family chitabu ati besa abaibori baba chandegete bakolera bago kuko se bakomya
Hasense muyende omurubiri obwo kwariganya omuswada bwo korigerera emechando yebisaku ebikena bo igo biri bitari konyora obokorali barengana nebisaku binde nigo korekanire gwetera ogosanga nababwatani abo igo abo bisakuru asense mu ya serikali ekerenga kyo omuswada oyo no korigerera emechando yebisaku ebyo nabo igo korige chinkira cyo kurenda oboronge bwabo korengana ne katiba yo mwaka w'echilefu ibere merongebere na ikose katiba yo mwaka w'echilefu ibere na 10
marks a defining moment in our collective commitment as a nation to uplift communities that have for generations remained unseen, unheard, or undeserved. This policy is both a recognition of their rightful place in our society and a reaffirmation of the values enshrined in our Constitution, values of human dignity, equality, inclusivity, social justice, and protection of cultural diversity.
Said 18th of December is the UN International Day for Minorities. Let us start celebrating these people. It might not amount to much, but let them know that they can travel to Nairobi, that there is a day for them. Let them share their frustrations, their sadness, their happiness, their culture. And a while back, our cultures looked backward. We looked like we are uncivilized. Today we appreciate the place of traditional knowledge and indigenous knowledge. Culture as a driver for tourism, as he said, in climate change mitigation and adaptation, in medicine, nature-based solutions, all the things that today we derive from nature, and now your territories have become the most important spaces for development. And one of the things that this policy then is trying to achieve is the nexus between development and human welfare, so that we do not have energy activities like in Loyangalani wind power project or Olkaria energy project that displaces minority and marginalized communities, marginalizing them further while providing energy to the national grid and the people of Kenya, whereas the people where that energy, where those resources are coming from, their life situation is only getting worse.
Hassan Semoyende magigaye wizara y'oburendi bw'ime gekoragwo n'umuwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen gokora ibikarasi county ya 45 na ibere meyense insi yo muroberio umanyekaire buna jukwaa la usalama gukwanira amangana y'oburendi nigo bono murai wense William Samuel Ruto airu roboti rumuroberio yo asa umusangirekano okorekana se nyumba enene y'oburai bwense Nairobi abu asaba gambi barenge abageni abanene abu gasaba kora emirimo beserekali baikirana bakoragwo n'umuwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen nigatogiro muroberio yo bwokwenekyo bokorero bya gochiase osibwo kwanekyo bokorero bya asensemo y'oburendi meyense.
Thanks to your leadership and guidance, I now have the privilege of having spoken, sat, listened to chiefs, assistant chiefs, village elders, OCSs in every part of our country, Your Excellency, including in Mandera, where we held 2 meetings, one in Mandera town and another one in Elwak. And it was a great privilege to sit and listen to the voices of these people. Your Excellency, when I told these leaders that this was not a talk shop, the President was waiting for a report, an update. Mr. President, you have validated what I said by inviting them here and by what you are going to tell them in this particular place, Your Excellency. After every county session, we briefed you. I briefed you on the issues and the things they wanted to be done. And Your Excellency, today is the day that we expect guidance from you on how to move the issues to go forward. Your Excellency, during this forum, we had over 60,000 people attending, which included the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the village elders, representatives of community, civil society. It included also the OCSs, the police officers, and this engagement was very open and robust. In fact, by the time we did 3 counties, many people in the security sector called me and said, why are you having an open discussion on security issues with people like this? You are embarrassing the government. People are talking about offices they don't have. They're talking about fuel they don't have. They're talking about these other issues that they don't have. Why are you making this open? And we said, Your Excellency, this is the state of our nation, where if we must solve a problem, it must start by listening to those who are facing those problems on the ground. And because I am not the person who started this process, you started it when you were campaigning prior to 2022, listening to the people. We wanted to make sure that as much as possible, the report we bring to the people of Kenya is authentic, particularly on the issues we are facing as a nation.
Ekere kiwego murai wense William Samuel Ruto nigo murai wense oyuera rigwa roboti rwa jukwaa la usalama na boigo asenkwane yaye niga bakere mbuya mono ababwatani aso oborendi asibo iga kwanire merobiri ya serikali yo kweniki amagendero gokorekana ari asichinsemo chonsi imeyense.
Nyinyi mnajua kabla ya uchaguzi uliopita, mimi na timu yangu tulifanya what we called economic forums in every county. Tulienda kila county kuzungumza na wananchi, kuelewa vile wanavyotaka na kutueleza vile wangetaka serikali yao iendeshwe na ni mambo gani ya muhimu. Na ndio kwa sababu hiyo ile mpango tunayoendesha kama serikali mukasikia inaitwa bottom up. Bottom up ni kwa sababu imeanza chini. Na bottom up is not a slogan. Bottom up is not a tactic. Bottom up is a strategy ya vile ya kushughulikia mambo yanayohusu wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa ile mipango yote ambayo tunatekeleza kama serikali, mambo ya elimu, mambo ya kilimo, mambo ya afya, mambo yale mengine yote ambayo tunayotekeleza, tunaelekezwa na vile tutashughulikia mwananchi wa kawaida pale chini. That is our strategy. Nilieleza waziri Murkomen kwamba yeye na team yake PSS pamoja na team yake yote waende mashinani, watengeneze jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia mambo ya usalama. Kawaida jukwaa ama majukwaa ni ya siasa. Kawaida, si ndivyo? Hivyo ndivyo tumezoea. Lakini tukasema tunataka kutengeneza jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia jambo la muhimu la usalama katika taifa letu. Mimi nawashukuru.
Guskomotwe ababunge batano noyomo obubachoro weitra obochori obokebwaera nigo batianiwe ko service ase bunge nene batano noyo mabwo ngamona Harrison Garama Kombe wensemo ye bunge ya Magarini, Ahmed Mahalim Hassan wensemo ye bunge ya Banisa, Boya Duwere Ngondo kurwensemo ye bunge ya Kaspul, David Adman Ndakwa wensemo ye bunge ya Malava, Leo wa Mdende Njeri wensemo ye bunge ya Mbeere North na Boy Gomose Zokodo Mondi kurwensemo ye bunge ya Ugunja.
Mimi Harrison Garama Kombe nikiwa nimechaguliwa kama mjumbe katika bunge la taifa, na hapa kwa jina la Mwenyezi Mungu kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu na mtiifu kwa watu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwamba nitatii, nitaheshimu, nitatetea, nitatunza, nitahifadhi na kulinda katiba ya Jamhuri ya Kenya, na kwamba nitayatekeleza majukumu yangu ya ubunge kwa uaminifu na kwa uangalifu. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You may proceed to sign the oath.
I, Njeru Leo wa Mudende, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament, so help me God.
I, David Ndakwa Adman, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
I, Ongondo Boy Duwere, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I'll bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I'll obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I'll faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Buya mono mwanchu morigeria asoko chora nsoko TV oburusi bwomugusina gwikirabwo no tugwikira omwerio bwamaya chinsa 10 senchira yobwenge ense ya mone chinsa 3 Frida Kirubo nachuko yaretera senchira yobwikira nura basaki baito bagochiko yarigania asomogoroba obono nakuganira mogoroba muya erietariane Ishmael Mogere.